Now we will discuss D flip flop. D flip flop is nothing but it is the modified form of SR flip flop only. SR flip flop only. When we will observe SR flip flop, this is nothing but SR flip flop. When S is equal 0, R is equal 0, that is no change condition. When S is equal 1, R is equal 1, that is nothing but undefined condition. We will observe once back class. See here, when S is equal 0, R is equal 0, these two cases no change condition. S is undefined condition. So middle two parts, middle two ante reset and set purpose. Reset and set purpose we are defined D flip flop. D flip flop is belongs to the reset and set flip flop purpose. When we will observe reset condition, the inputs are S is 0, R is 1. Here S is 1, R is 0. Means these two are complemented each other. That one we are implementing in our circuit diagram. So now see here, this is SR flip flop. SR flip flop. Now we will take the modification is these two are complemented each other. Directly D is connected to the S. Directly D is connected to the S, and you have to take NOT gate in terms of NAND. NOT gate in terms of NAND. I am taking two inputs are shorted. Here single input, this will be connected to here. This is nothing but S is equal directly D, R is equal to this D bar. Then this circuit will operate like a D flip flop. You can take here it's a functional table, or you can call truth table. In this truth table, here D is input, clock, D. After that Qn is present state, Qn plus 1 is next state. This is the present state. Here single input D, Qn plus 1 is next state. S and R are intermediate terms. So we will not write here. When the clock is positive edge trigger, if the D input is 0, aite, a Qn is 0 or 1, how the output will be appeared. When D is equal 0, that means S value is 0, R is equal 1. S 0, R 1 means that is a reset condition. So these two are 0, 0. Its state name is reset condition. When it is input is 0. When the input is 1, then present state is 0 or 1. When the D input is 1, means directly it is connected to the D is connected to the S, and D bar is connected to the R, means S is 1, R is 0. S is 1, R is 0. That means your set condition will be appeared. When the negative edge trigger will be appeared, you can take either it is 0 or 1, whatever the present state and next states are there, you can consider this one is no change condition when it is off. So this is the truth table. We will take here short form of truth table. You can take here D is input, Qn plus 1 is output. When the input is 0, D is 0, directly Qn plus 1 is 0. D is 1, Qn plus 1 is 1. That's why it is called, this is called transparent latch or datum latch. D flip flop is also called as transparent latch or datum latch. So it is used to design registers and counters. Very, very important point, this one. Next we will take here excitation table. Here coming to excitation table, Qn plus 1 consider as a input. How the D will be present set output. when the qn plus 1 0 0, this is derived from truth table only. 0 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు 0 ఉంది, 0 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు 1 ఉంది. Like if it is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1, this is the excitation table for D flip flop. Now you can take here characteristic equation. For this characteristic equation, you can take here two variable k map, qn and d and qn. This is the d bar, d, qn bar, qn. This output will be filled with qn plus 1. Here 0 0 1 1, this is one pair. So here qn plus 1 is equal to d. This is the very important point for competitive exam manner. And its corresponding symbol, you can consider here symbol. D is the input, clock you can apply qn bar, qn and qn bar. Now finally we will draw state diagram. Here also two states are there, either qn is equal 0, qn is equal 1 state. So here when we will observe first condition 0 to 0 switching, 0 nunchi 0 switching when the D input is 0. Next condition 1 to 0, 1 nunchi 0 movement, 1 nunchi 0 ki vellali when the input D is equal to 0. Next 0 to 1 switching when the input D is equal to 1. Finally 1 to 1 movement when the D input is 1. This is the state diagram. So we have to remember circuit diagram, operation, functional table, short form of truth table, excitation table, characteristic equation, state diagram and symbol. These all you have to write in your examination. You will get full marks definitely. In next video we will see JK flip flop as well as T flip flop. Now in this video we will discuss JK flip flop, operation and truth table, excitation table, characteristic equation, everything. So this JK flip flop is nothing but it is also modified form of SR flip flop only. SR flip flop modified form. How the SR flip flop will be modified means in SR flip flop last condition when S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 case. When S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 case, the undefined state will be present due to the both are switching to the high. So to modifying that one, JK flip flop is derived. So in S place you can connect J, in R place you can connect K. This is SR flip flop only. To getting last condition, how the last condition will be derived means see here clock signal here J K, S place, R place. This is S place, this one is R place. Qn is present state, Qn plus 1 is next state and state name. When it is positive edge trigger, if it is 0 0, we are not changing. When the present state is 0 0 only, when the present state is 1 1 only, this condition is called no change condition. Means we are not changing first three conditions. We are not changing. When the positive edge trigger is applied, if the input is 0 1, present state is 0 or 1, this is called reset condition. When the positive edge trigger is applied, if it is 1 0, we will give the present state is 0 or 1, we will take this one is set condition. When it is 1 1 condition, if the present state is 0 or 1, especially these case purpose only the JK flip flop will be derived. చూడండి ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్లో 0 ఉంటే 0, 1 ఉంటే 1 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ 0 ఉన్నా 1 ఉన్నా 0 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉన్నా 1 ఉన్నా 1 వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు వేరే మాడిఫికేషన్ ఏం లేదు, సింగిల్ ఉంది. 0 ఉంటే 1, 1 ఉంటే 0, రివర్స్. దీన్నే టాగుల్ మోడ్ అంటాం, టాగుల్ మోడ్. సో ఈ 0 ఉంటే 1, 1 ఉంటే 0 రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి అంటే ఈ సర్క్యూట్లో, సో Qn bar is connected to the input of this one at J end, Qn is connected to the K end. This is the feedback, this is the another feedback to getting the complemented output. This is the complete diagram of JK flip-flop, JK flip-flop. So coming to here, last condition, if the present state is 0, next state is 1. If the present state is 1, next state will be 0. When the negative edge trigger will be applied, when the negative edge trigger is applied, either the whatever the inputs are there, but if present state is 0, 0 only, 1, 1, we are getting no change output, no change output. So we'll take now short form of truth table, short form of truth table, J, K, Qn plus 1. If the inputs are 0, 0, whatever the present state and next state are same, that's why here Qn. When it is 0, 1, reset condition. When it is 1, 0, set condition. When it is 1, 1, Qn bar, complemented output we are getting. Like similarly, we have to take here excitation table. In this excitation table, here Qn is present state, Qn plus 1 is next state. How the J, K inputs are present. If the inputs are 0, 0, 0, X, means two conditions are there. Two conditions, J is 0, K value is change 0 and 1. If it is 0, 1, 1, X, 1, 0, X, 1, 1, 1, it is X, 0. This is the excitation table you have to remember. Next we will discuss about characteristic equation. Characteristic equation for JK flip-flop. So you have to take here 3 variable K map, that inputs are J, K, Qn. S, R, Qn elano J, K, Qn. This is belongs to the J bar, J, here K bar, Qn bar, K bar, Qn, K, Qn, K, Qn bar. And this output will be filled with Qn plus 1 output. If it is 0 from truth table, 0, 1, 0, 0, here 1, 1, here 1, 0. So this is one pair and this is another pair. Truth table లో Qn plus 1 అవుట్పుట్ ని దీంట్లో ఫిల్ చేశాను. సో ఇప్పుడు Qn plus 1 is equal to ఏమది, ఈ పేర్లో J Qn bar, J Q. So here output of this one JK flip-flop is Qn plus 1 is equal J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. K bar Qn is from this pair, J Qn bar is from this pair. So your characteristic equation is Qn plus 1 is equal J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. Very very important, you have to remember this one. Coming to its symbol, J, K, clock signal, Qn bar. This one is symbol for JK flip-flop. Now finally we have to represent its state diagram. Here also two states are there. One is Qn is equal 0, another one is Qn is equal 1 state. So now you can observe its truth table, 0 to 0 switching, when the inputs are J is equal 0, K is equal 0. Next case 1 to 1 switching, so J is equal 0, K is equal 0. Next 0 to 0, already path is there, you can write simply J is equal 0, K is equal 1. Next 1 to 0, 1 nunchi 0 ki arrow mark indicate. Now we will discuss about T flip. In this video we will discuss about T flip-flop. T flip-flop is nothing but it is a modified form of modified form of JK flip-flop. So in JK flip-flop, no change condition, toggle condition purpose it will be defined. So when the toggle condition will be appeared, when the J and K are same. So that's why J, K, these two are shorted, and single input I am applying here. That input is T. Now here we will define its truth table. Clock T, Qn is present state, Qn plus 1 is next state, and state name. Here you can take here clock either positive edge trigger if the T input is 0. If the T input is 0, then directly here J0, K0 we are getting. J0, K0 means either Qn is equal 0 or 1. We are getting no change condition as a output. No change condition as a output. When the positive edge trigger is applied, when T is equal to 1, either present state is 0 or 1. T is equal to 1 means directly J1, K1 will be appeared. So that's why J1, K1 means here this 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Toggle condition we are getting. Toggle mode. When the clock will be negative edge triggered, whatever the present state are there, we are getting no change condition. So from this we will get short form of truth table. You can take here T is input, Qn plus 1 is output. If the T is input, T is equal 0, present state whatever it is there, next state is also same, means Qn. If it is 1, Qn bar we are getting. This is the short form of truth table. And coming to excitation table. In this we are taking the present state and next state Qn plus 1 as a inputs, T as a output. So with the two inputs, 4 combinations will present, that are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. If the inputs are 0 0, that corresponding output T is 0. If it is 0 1, 1, 1 0, 1, 1 1, 0. So here 0 1 1 0. From this we will write a characteristic equation. For this characteristic equation, you can take here two variable K map. That are one input is D, another input is Qn. This is the D bar row, D row, here Qn bar Qn. You can fill this output with 0 1 1 0. These two are isolated pairs, so you can write here Qn plus 1 is equal D bar, this is the T bar Qn and T Qn bar. So Qn plus 1 is equal to, it is also written as T XR Qn. This is T flip flop. You can take T input. After that, it's a state diagram. In this state diagram, present state and next state two inputs are there. Here Qn is equal 0 and Qn is equal 1. Two states are there. From its truth table, when 0 to 0 movement, T is equal 0. 1 to 1 movement, T is equal 0. 0 to 1, 0 నుంచి 1 కి వెళ్తున్నాము, T 1 అయినప్పుడు. 1 to 0 movement when the T is equal 1. This is represents state diagram. Next, finally symbol we will discuss. In this symbol, T is the input and clock we are applying Qn bar. This is the symbol. So all of you note truth table and excitation table. Based on these, we will do flip-flop conversions on next video. Without this truth table and excitation table, we don't know anything from upcoming chapters. For upcoming chapters, you must know truth table and excitation table. Thank you all.